let me show you all game mode options available on a Nothing phone for a Pro. So once we open the game mode panel, over here we can find the performance mode, which we can easily toggle just by tapping on the switcher. We also have calls settings, where we can, for example, decide if you want to have calls on the full screen or in pop-up view, and so on and so forth. We also have settings related to notifications in here. We can also lock the brightness so it won't change, and we can quickly start recording our screen. Also, we can tap on this setting button in order to jump to the game mode settings, where we can find, for example, the setting for the game sidebar. We have the notification display once again. We have the mistouch prevention and game color plus. There is also some settings for the game dashboard. In order to access the game dashboard, what you can do is you can simply reveal your navigation. So if you have, for example, gesture navigations, you want to swipe up. If you have 3 buttons, you want to swipe from the right side. And then here we have the game dashboard button. Here we can toggle the screenshot shortcut. We have the recording shortcut, FPS counter, the do not disturb shortcut. We also have optimization, achievements, and leaderboards for some games. And I actually accidentally closed that. And also we have the streaming option, so we can stream to YouTube Live as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.